Hello students. So in the last video we discussed about the basic concepts, basic terms of pair of linear equations in two variables. And after that I sent some photo clips in that it is given when what we have to use. Means the word it is times, increase, decrease, reduce. If like these words are there, so which sign we have to use? So that we discuss. Now how to solve the exercise, how to implement that. So for that purpose, now we are going to start exercise 3.1. So in exercise 3.1, so here what problems are there? So how to break? First we have to learn how to break the question. Most important thing is the breaking of question. And that sentence, what is the meaning of that sentence? And that meaning we have to express in the form of equation. So now what is given here? Aftab tells his daughter. Aftab and his daughter conversation is there. What is here? Two variables are there. Two variables means two persons we need. So here two persons are there, Aftab and his daughter. So that both persons we have to divide with two variables. So what we can write? Let Aftab present age be x here and his daughter's present age be y here. So x and y, two variables we divided here for two persons. Now here conversation begin. 7 years ago. What is 7 years? Present age is x and y. Means today's age. So 7 years ago. Only this much. Break it. What is the meaning of this? And what conclusion you will get? So 7 years ago. What was the Aftab's age and his daughter's age? So Aftab's age was, what is the present age? X. So suppose if today's age is 10 years, so what was the 7 years before your age? 3 years. Means what you did? 10 minus 7 means today's age minus 7 you did. So you will get the past age. So here Aftab's today's age, present age is x here. So 7 years ago, what was the Aftab's age? X minus 7 years. And his daughter's age was, what will get? Y minus 7 years. This is the meaning of 7 years ago. Now condition is given. According to condition 1. What is the condition? I was. I means who? Aftab. I means who? Aftab. Was 7 times as old as you were. You means who? His daughter. So I x minus 7. My age was, means Aftab's age was, what is 7 times? 7 into daughter's age, means daughter's age is what? X minus 7. Got it? So simplify this equation. Sorry, here y minus 7. So x minus 7 equals to 7y minus 49. So x minus 7y equals to minus 42. This has to transfer. Plus 7. Minus 49 plus 7. What will get? Minus 42. So this is the equation number 1. Got first equation? So till up to this we read here. Now, also 3 years from now, break here. 3 years from now means from present age, 3 years now means after 3 years. So, after 3 years, what will be the Aftab's age? Aftab's age will be, what is x plus 3 year. Present age is what? X. So after 3 years, so what will get? X plus 3. And his daughter's age will be, what is daughter's age? Y. So after 3 years, y plus 3 years. Got? Now from here, second condition it will start. So according to condition 2, what will get? I shall be. I means who? Aftab. I means who? Aftab. 3 times. So what is the Aftab's age? 3 years now. X plus 3. What is 3 times daughter's age? Good. So simplify this. X plus 3 equals to 3y plus 9. This number multiply each and every term of the bracket. So what will get? X minus 3y equals to this 3 transfer. So 9 minus 3 means what will get? 6. This is equation number 2. Got 2 linear equations, a pair of linear equations. Pair means 2 equations. Got in 2 variables. Represent this situation algebraically. We represent and graphically. So now this situation we have to represent graphically also. So how to use graphically? So for that purpose we have to find the solution. So from first equation, from equation 1. So write this equation in terms of x, in terms of y. In 9th standard we studied. So this we have to transfer there. So what will get? X equals to 7y plus minus 42. X equals to 7y minus 42. Now, first, solution 1. So here, put the value of y. Put y equals to 7. So x equals to 7 into 7 minus 42. So what will get? 49 minus 42. So what will get? 7. Means value of y 7, value of x is also 7. Second, put y equals to 0. So what will get? Sorry, y equals to 6. So x equals to 7 into 6 minus 42. 7 6 are 42 minus 42. What will get? 0. Third solution. How many solution has to find? At least 3 solution. So now put y equals to 8. So x equals to 7 into 8 minus 42. What will get? 7 8s are 56. 56 minus 42. 4 1 40. So this we have to represent in the table. 3 columns. 1 2 3. So here x, y, x comma y. So now what will get? X 7, y is also 7, 7 comma 7, y 6, x 0, 0 comma 6, y is 8, so x is 14, so 14 comma 8. Got it? So this is the solutions of first equation. Now has to find the solution of second equation also. So from equation 2, here also same, x equals to 3y plus 6. First put y equals to 0. So what will get? X equals to 3 into 0 plus 6. What will get? 6. Second, put y equals to 1. So x equals to 3 into 1 plus 6. So what will get? 9. Third, put y equals to 2. So x equals to 3 into 2 plus 6. What will get? 12. So this has to write in the form of table. In this way, x, y, x comma y. So what is first? Y equals to 0. So x value what we got? 6. 6 comma 0. Here y equals to 1. So x value is 9. 9 comma 1. Then y equals to 2. X value is 12. 12 comma 2. Got the solutions? Now has to represent graphically. So for that purpose we have to draw the graph. So on the graph paper. So hope you understand this, how to represent graphically, algebraically. This is algebraically till up to this. Now for graphically, from here it will start. So this is for graphically. So now we will represent this graphically. So for that purpose, x-axis, y-axis. Here negative coordinate is not there. So only positive x-axis and positive y-axis we will draw. So for that, in this way, and this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now has to take the scale according to this, so that number it should come. So this is 0, equal marking 1 centimeter like this. So here x is highest 14. So what has to take? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So here, without forgetting, we have to write the scale. What is the scale? Along x-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 2 unit. Or what we can write here? 2 year. 2 year. Now same way. Now here y-axis highest is 8. So here we can already on the graph paper you are having the marking. So no need to do. So here I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So along y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 year. Okay. So in this way we took the scale, or in place of year you can write unit also, no problem. So this is the scale. Now we have to plot these points. 7, 7. Where here? 7. So I will mark here. And here. So this point. So wherever intersection it will come, that point. So it is 7, 7. Now 0, 6. X-axis 0, 6. This 0, 6. Then 14, 8. 14. Here. Perpendicular. I think here it will come. So this. So this point is, what is? 14, 8. We plot these 3 points. Now has to draw the line passing through these 3 points in this way. We draw. Now on the line has to write the equation. What is the first equation? That x equals to 7y minus 42. These first equations were covered. Now then we will go on second. Now 6, 0. 6 here. 6, 0. Then 9, 1. Where 9? Here. 1. Here it will come. This is 9, 1. Third, 12, 2. 12. Here it will come. 12, 2. Got 3 points. Now has to draw the line passing through these 3 points. So like this. This is the second line. So what is x equals to 3y plus 6. You can produce this both the line. Where these two lines will intersect, that is the answer. Intersection of these two lines is the answer. So where these lines will intersect, see. So we have to produce this. In this way. Till up to intersecting, we have to produce. So you can produce it till up to intersection. So somewhere there it will intersect. So that intersection point is the solution of this. So has to draw here perpendicular x coordinate, and from here y you will get y coordinate. So x means whose edge? Aftab edge, and y means whose edge? It is his daughter's edge. So in this way we have to plot. So understood? So in this way we have to represent graphically. So hope you understand, student, this first question, how to solve, how to split the example, and how to form the equation. So hope you understand. So now we will go on the second question. Now second question. What is given in the second question? See, the coach of cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. Means 2 things. First we have to decide 2 things. Which are the 2 things? Bat and ball. Which are the 2 things? Bat and ball. So first let the cost of 1 bat, let the cost of 1 bat be x rupees, and the cost of 1 ball be y rupees. Bat and ball x and y. So got this cost of 1 bat x rupees, cost of 1 ball y rupees. So 2 variables we given to 2 things. Now the condition. What is the condition? First condition. Where is the condition? This. 3 bat, 6 ball. So 3 bat means 3x plus 6 ball means 6y. So together, what is the price? 3,900. Got the equation? So this is the equation number 1. So now you can simplify, divide it, 3 is common. So divide by 3. So what will get? X plus 2y equals to 1300. So instead of here giving, here I will give equation number 1. Got? Now second. From here, second condition it will start. So according to condition 2, what is? She buys another bat. Another bat means 1 bat and 3 ball. So cost of 1 bat x and 3 ball means 3y. So how much amount she paid? 1300 rupees. Got it? So this is equation number 2. So this is representation algebraically. This we represent algebraically, now graphically. So for that purpose, from equation 1. So what we'll get? X equals to 1300 minus 2y. So 3 solutions. First, put y equals to 100. So what we'll get? X equals to 1300 minus 2 into 100. So what we'll get? 1300 minus 200 means 1100. Then put y equals to 200. So therefore x equals to 1300 minus 2 into 200. So what will get? 1300 minus 400. So what will get? 1300 minus 4? 900. Then third, put y equals to 300. So therefore x equals to 1300 minus 2 into 300. So what will get? 1300 minus 600. 700. So got this solution for first equation. Make the table. In this way. 2, 3. So x comma y. This. What is the value of y? 100. So what is the value of x? 1100. So 1100 comma 100. Then 200. So what will get? 900. 900 comma 200. Third, 300. So what will get? 700. So 700 comma 300. Got the first table. Now we will go on the second equation. From equation 2. Same. So what will get? X equals to 1300 minus 3y. So now first put y equals to 300. So what will get? Therefore x equals to 1300 minus 3 into 300. So 1300 minus 900. What will get? 400. Now second, put y equals to 400. So x equals to 1300 minus 3 into 400. So what will get? 100. 1300 minus 1200. So what will get? 100. Third, put y equals to 200. X equals to 1300 minus 3 into 200. So what will get? 1300 minus 600. So what is? 700. Got it? So make the table. X comma y. 1, 2, 3. So first y 300. So what is the x value? 400. 400 comma 300. Then 400. So what we got? 100. 100 comma 400. Then 200. So what we got? 700. So 700 comma 200. Got the table? So these were for what purpose? Graphically representation. Now we have to draw the graph. So for that purpose we have to draw what is x-axis and y-axis. So till up to this, hope you understand, student, how to find the solution. According to your wish, you can take the value. It is not compulsory I took this, so you also can take the same thing. You can take any suitable value. In that you should get the answer. Okay. So now we have to represent graphically. So for that purpose, we will draw the x-axis and y-axis. Like first example. In this way. Intersection is 0. Positive values are there, so only first quadrant. So this is x-axis, this one is y-axis. So on x-axis highest value is what? 1100. So here we will consider 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200. Okay. Now x value or y value 300, and here what is the y value? 400. So here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 in this way. So now scale along x-axis. What is 1 centimeter equals to 200 rupees. 1 centimeter equals to 200 rupees. And along y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 100 rupees. Got it scale? Now we can plot this. So it is 1100, 100. Where here? 1100 here. So this is the point. 1100, 100. Then 900, 200. Here 900. And here it will come 200. 900, 200. Now third 700, 300. Here 700. So we will get here. So 700, 300. So first we plot, now has to draw the line passing through this 3 point. And this line will pass through these 3 points. Like this. And write the equation. Whatever equation is there, that we have to write here. Now second, 400 300, 400 and 300 somewhere here. 400, 300. Then what will get? 100, 400. 100. 400. 100, 400. Third, 700, 200. 700 and here 200. Here 700, 200. Now has to draw line passing through this. In this way, and has to produce. They will join. Here my point, distances are not equal, so you will not get. But when you will plot on the graph, so these two lines will intersect. Wherever these two lines will intersect, that is the cost of bat and ball. Okay students, so hope you understand this, how to solve and how to, this is the representation graphically. So at equal distance we have to take, you will get the answer. Okay students, so hope you understand this. So now we will go on the next question. Now third example. What is given in the third example? The cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes. So two things, apple and grapes. So let the cost of 1 kg of apple be rupees X and the cost of 1 kg of grapes be rupees Y. Apple and grapes, we give X and Y variable. Now condition. According to condition 1. So how many kg? 1 kg cost is X rupees. So how many? 2 kg. So what is the 2 kg apple? 2x. And 1 kg grapes, what is Y? So what will get? 2x plus Y equals to 160. So this is equation number 1. Now second condition. What is the second condition? From here, after a month, the cost of 4 kg. So cost of 1 kg X. So what is the cost of 4 kg? 4x plus and 2 kg. 1 kg grapes cost Y. So 2 kg means 2y. So together how much she paid? 300 rupees. 300. So here 2 common. So divide by 2. Write the simplest form. So what will get? 2x plus y equals to 150. This equation number 2. Got both equations? So algebraically we solve. Now has to represent graphically. So graphically or geometrically. Sometimes this word it will come geometrically. So geometrically means graphically. So now from equation 1, so what we get? Y equals to 160 minus 2x. Keep y as it is, transfer to x. So 160 minus 2x. Find 3 solutions. First, put x equals to So what we'll get? Y equals to 160 minus 2 into 6. So means what is 60, not 6, 60. So what we'll get? 160 minus 120. So what we'll get? 160 minus 120? 40. What we'll get? 40. Second, put x equals to 70. So therefore y equals to 160 minus 2 into 70. So 160 minus 140. So what we'll get? 20. Then third, put x equals to 80. So y equals to 160 minus 2 into 80. 160 minus 160. What will get? 0. So got these three solutions. So here x, y, x comma y table. So first x 60. So what is the value of y? 40. 60 comma 40. Second 70. So what we got? 20. 70 comma 20. Then third 80. What we got? 0. So 80 comma 0. So these are the solutions of first equation. Now second equation from equation 2. So what we get? Equation 2, this y equals to 150 minus 2x. So now solution, put x equals to 30. So what we'll get? Y equals to 150 minus 2 into 30. 150 minus 60. What we'll get? 90. Then second, put x equals to 40. So y equals to 150 minus 2 into 40. So 150 minus 80. So what we'll get? 70. And third, put x equals to 50. Y equals to 150 minus 2 into 50. So 150 minus 100. 50. Got the three solutions. So make the table x, y, x comma y. So x is 30, y is 90. 30 comma 90. Second 40. So 40 comma 70. Then 50. So what will get? 50. 50 comma 50. Got the solutions. Now this we have to represent graphically or geometrically. So for that purpose we have to draw the x-axis and y-axis. So till up to this, hope you understand, students. So now we will draw the graph. So what will come in the graph? We have to draw axis first, y-axis and x-axis. y-axis, x-axis. Now see the value, highest value 80. 80 is the highest. So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What is the highest value of y? 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How to write the scale you know now. So now I will not write. I will plot the points directly. What is 60, 40? Where is 60? This. So here. So I am not having the line graph paper, so I will use this way. So you are having the graph, so you can do it properly. Okay. So this is what is 60, 40. Then second 70, 20. Here. This 70, 20. And third is there 80, 0. Got it? Now has to draw the line. In this way. So has to write the equation on the line. Now second 30, 90. This 30, 90. Second 40, 70. And third 50, 50. This 50, 50. Draw the line. So if you will produce, they will intersect at some point and has to write what is equation on the line. So in this way we have to represent graphically and algebraically. Sometimes they will intersect, or sometimes it will go parallel, or sometimes it will coincide. Understood? So in this way we have to represent the given conditions algebraically and graphically. So hope you understand, student, this. So here your exercise 3.1, it is completed. All examples I solved and showed. So now extra questions I will send for practice. Okay students, so now one extra question. Now this one extra question. So here I will explain algebraically. You can do it graphically. So graphically work is the homework for you. So I will explain how to do algebraically because these questions are very important. Ages, numerator, denominator, 2-digit, like this question, speed, time, speed, distance, that examples are very important. So this example I took how to solve. So here what I said, first we have to decide two things. Which are the two things? Here, numerator and denominator. What are the two things? Numerator and denominator. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. So therefore required fraction because a fraction is there. So we have to find the fraction also. So what is the required fraction? X by y. Numerator by denominator. Got it? Now we will come on the first condition. According to condition 1. This. If we add to the numerator. What is the numerator? X. If we add. So x plus 1 by y. So it reduces to 1 by 2. So what we will get? 1 by 2 we will get. Simplify this. So what we will get? 2x plus 2 equals to y. So now 2x minus y equals to minus 2. Equation 1. This transfer here, this transfer there. Got the first equation. Now according to condition 2, what is, if we subtract 1 from the denominator, means numerator as it is. What is the numerator? X. And we are subtracting 1 from the denominator. So y minus 1. So what we will get? It reduces to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication. 3x equals to y minus 1. So transfer y. 3x minus y equals to minus 1. Equation 2. So this we represent what is algebraically. Now you can find three solutions of both equations and represent graphically. Okay students, so that is the homework. So hope you understand students this, how to solve exercise 3.1, how to form the equation, how to use the conditions. So hope you understand students. If you have any doubt, any query, you can call me and ask me. So we will stop here. In the next video we will discuss consistency, inconsistency. So what are the rules for consistency? What are the rules for inconsistency? That we are going to discuss. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.